guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cassie and I create all sorts of videos, health, wellness, lifestyle, vlog type videos. So I just got in my brand new camera. So I ordered the Canon Powershot G7X Mark II. A couple reasons why I decided to go with the Mark II versus the brand new Mark III. I watched a ton of videos. Thank you, Think Media. I will link that video here for you guys because his review between the difference of the Mark II and the Mark III was extremely helpful. And that's what made me decide to go with the Mark II versus the Mark III, since I am going to predominantly be using this for video versus just regular photos. So in the Amazon box, it comes with this box and it's taped up everywhere. Okay, so upon opening it, it comes with the warranty and then like the get to know, the handbook and all that. And then beneath it is the camera. Oh my goodness, it's so cute and small. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's so cute and little, so I'm gonna be able to easily like take this guy around, and it's not gonna be super obnoxious if I'm out in public. It's little! And then it's got the flip up camera, which is amazing. Also in the bag is the camera strap so that you can hold it on your wrist, the battery that goes in there, and then the battery charger. And then I got the bundle that came with the SD card because I don't believe it comes with one. Let me just look to be sure. Yeah, so your camera comes empty. So with your camera, you do get the charger, but you don't get an SD card. So if you're purchasing the camera, make sure you already have an SD card or order the bundle that comes with the SD card. Candy. She's going trick-or-treating. I'm gonna get the battery in this guy and we're gonna take her for a spin. I got the battery in and I got it on, and this is the SD card that I got with the bundle. So it's the SanDisk Extreme, so it's the 32 gigabytes, so it should be up to 8 hours, speed up to 90. To be honest, I don't know what most of that means. So okay, so she's on now. I've got the card in her. I'm going to flip it over to movie, and I've just got it in standard mode because I don't know how to do all of the settings just yet. And we are going to switch over from the phone to the video in 3, 2, 1. Hi. Oh my goodness. So this, I think already is amazing. You can tell that it is so much whiter, brighter, crisp, not near as yellow. All the yellow tones that the phone picks up is obsolete on this amazing camera. Hopefully the autofocus is doing well. That was one of the reasons why I did not go with the Mark III, was because of the autofocus issues. Everyone said that the Mark II was better in that regard. It is like 6:30 at night. I'm in Charlotte's room. She's gonna do my hair. But just for reference, look at how beautiful the lighting is. So I'm gonna pull up my phone. I'm gonna go selfie mode. So just regular video on my phone. Oh, you showing them your Cinderella? Oh, beautiful. So that we can see, oh, the difference. Don't do my face, silly girl. Oh. Okay, I think we got enough footage. Okay. Just wanted to let you guys know of a few things that you will need that the Canon G7X does not come with. Now, of course, I only purchased the camera and SD card bundle. Again, you will need to purchase an SD card as the camera does not come with one and you cannot actually record anything without a memory card. So aside from that, you can also purchase the bundle that comes with the creator kit. Now, I highly recommend just getting that bundle because it comes with a little handheld tripod, as you can probably not see because you're looking at me, I am using a handheld tripod right now that I just purchased from a local shop here, but I will also link to one below in the description. And I also want to tell you guys that it does not come with a camera case, and with this being, you know, a somewhat expensive camera, you might want to look into little pocket cases and things like that. Something else to consider when you are purchasing the G7X Mark II is that it does have the capabilities to connect to your Wi-Fi, and you can then import all of your images and transfer them directly from your camera to your computer, your PC, your Mac, your phone. However, I have tried multiple times, and for whatever reason, my camera is just not connecting to my internet, so I need to play with it a little bit more. But keep in mind that if that is not working, your camera does not come with a cord. Therefore, you also need to purchase a cord for your camera. Lucky for me, I have an old, this is actually an old cord from my daughter's monitor, her baby monitor that we no longer use. So this one, I don't even know what size pin this is, but the other bad thing about this is on one end, it's a regular USB. Well, I have the new MacBook Air, the 2018 model, which now uses the C USB import thing. So I had to go get a little transfer one adapter. So this is super easy. The USB port plugs into here, and then it translates it into a C. So I can now plug this into my MacBook Air. So I will say, using this cord, it was super easy. You just turn on, well, you don't turn on your camera, you hit a specific button, the little play button, and the green light comes on, and then you open your photo application on your Mac, and all of your images and videos will show up under import. So that was super easy. Then you just drag and drop to save. Like I said, I haven't gotten to play with my camera that much so far, but so far I am really loving it, and we are taking a trip to the mountains next week. We're going to Blue Ridge, Georgia, so stay tuned for full video on that trip coming soon, where I will be using this camera. And as always, all of the links to anything I talked about today will be down below in the description box. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and best of luck with your Canon G7X.